This winter scene mason jar cookie is the latest project in my cookie art club. Here's a preview of the tutorial. I'm cutting the cookies from a chilled sheet of gingerbread cookie dough. I'll bake the mason jar cookie at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Now I'll ice the cookie with white flood consistency royal icing and a decorating tip 3. For details on how to make royal icing and how to flood a cookie, watch Royal Icing 101. I'm using my scribe tool to help shape the icing. Then you can set this cookie aside to dry completely. I let mine dry overnight. I'll be using Sweet Sticks edible paint in navy blue and purple for the next part of this project. I'm applying the paint to the outside of a zip top bag. I'll spray the paint with vodka a couple of times. And now I'll turn it face down onto the dry icing. Move the bag around a few times to cover the entire surface. I use vodka for painting on royal icing because it evaporates very quickly and won't dissolve the icing. You can also use grain alcohol, paint powder activator, or any flavor extract for this process. I'm using a decorating tip 1 to pipe the trees. I'm using my scribe tool to help shape the icing. I hope you enjoyed this preview of the latest tutorial in my cookie art club. If you'd like to see more, hit the join button to become a member. You'll get access to my recipes, over 160 ad-free cookie decorating tutorials, and personalized cookie decorating advice when you need it. See you in the cookie art club!